Greetings, I'm Jason, and welcome back to the House of Kog. Okay, so the name of the game is trying to finish cleaning. As you can see, the side is still dirty. I worked on cleaning it before, but it's been a while, but I do need to take and finish cleaning the engine mount bosses and getting it painted this color. I found a good suitable. I had some in stock, but I was low, so I was able to go to O'Reilly's because they have, generally speaking, at least in my area here in Austin, a larger paint selection than Advanced. So I was able to get some paints and gonna try to move forward with getting the heads painted aluminum silver and then getting this block painted the Pontiac blue that I really like. Next, we're going to talk about also the part challenges that we've experienced and getting the new pickup tube put in. So the part challenges have been as such. So as we talked about before, we wanted to replace her gear drive with a new one. However, I am unable to get a new one at this point in time. For whatever reason, they're all on back order, and it may be just due to the economic circumstances of right now, or it could be just for whatever reason with everybody being working at home, they're all working on their project cards like we are. Don't know. But we do want to take, and as we are unable to get a new replacement in any length of time, the quickest turnaround that I was given by Summit, Jegs said that their Edelbrock gear drive is at least the end of January before it can be shipped. Summit said that they have a gear drive. It looked like it was in stock on eBay, and I actually bought one last night. Got an email from them this morning and said, hey, we actually don't have it. Psych. Its earliest ETA is the middle of January. So what we're going to do is do a little bit of cleanup on the one that I've got, and we're going to just roll with it. I think it'll be okay. Since I had it apart and I had the money to do it, I wanted to replace it, but if we can't get one, we can't get one, and I don't have time to wait on it. So the intake gaskets, I buy all my engine parts from Butler Performance. They are the #1 name in Pontiac power. So with that being said, I've taken and ordered, since I got the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads from them that are ported and polished to my Endura Shine intake, I can't just run regular off-the-shelf intake gaskets. I have to get special, larger, port-matched ones. And only Butler sells them, and they were also on back order. But I was given an email saying that they are now no longer on back order, and I should be getting them shipped here in the next couple days. So that's why we're getting back to work on this and just going to keep marching forward. And there you go. Much, much better. I'm going to cover these ports over here, and then we're going to take and put the old oil pan back on as we are eventually going. So I'm putting a newer road racing oil pan that we've talked about before, and we'll be showing you that just a little bit later. But we're going to be putting the old oil pan back on that I'm actually we're going to reuse on Phoebe here in just a little while. But we're going to take and put it on here so I can keep the internal components from getting painted, and we're going to paint this side. All right, guys. I apologize. As you can see, I've relocated now. Piper is in the side shop here at my dad's house, and we're going to be moving her to the front garage, which is where we're at now. So I apologize for the sporadicness of the videos and content that we're trying to get to you guys. It is a difficult process trying to film content, trying to finish moving, and also trying to get parts, as I've said before, during this pandemic. It's been a bit of a challenge, but we're going to get back to cleaning the other side of the underside of the engine block, and we're going to try to shoot some paint on it. We're getting the drill with the rotary wire wheel to try and get in some of these little spots real quick. Gonna go on kind of a low speed setting. Going just so I can get in there and get some of that dirt out. I got a lot of it out of there. Now I'm just going to take and go back through and use the brake cleaner and give her a wipe down. Alright, so I got this cleaned up. It's about as good as it's going to get. I've taken and run Varsol all over it. One final time just to get a final extra rinse to make sure I got any contaminants clean. I cleaned the original oil pan up a bit. As you remember, it was pretty nasty, but I got it cleaned up so that essentially I could cover the bottom end of the engine and wouldn't have to worry about getting paint or anything on the rotating assembly. So I'm going to go through now, and I've got my DE 1610 Pontiac Blue, and I'm going to start going at it. So as you can see, I've got some paint on the bottom of the aluminum heads. I've got a different cleaning process I'm going to use for those, but I'm going to do that once I flip the engine right side up.
Alright, and that'll do it for this episode of the House of Kog number 7. Straight to you from good old Texas. Y'all, alright. I'll see y'all on the next time. Jason, I wish you qapla. Alrighty, y'all. See y'all next time.